What are keystone species? Welcome to our exploration of keystone species, the crucial players in our ecosystems. In the intricate web of life where every species plays a part, some hold a disproportionate influence, their presence or absence reverberating through the entire system. These are the keystone species, the unsung heroes maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Join us now as we journey to diverse corners of the globe to uncover the hidden lives and profound impacts of these remarkable creatures. Our journey begins in the cool, clear waters of the Pacific Northwest, home to a creature as playful as it is vital, the sea otter. These charismatic animals, with their thick fur and endearing antics, are far more than just a delight to observe. They are, in fact, guardians of the kelp forest, a realm teeming with life. Kelp forests are underwater jungles, towering canopies of brown algae that provide food and shelter for a myriad of species. But these underwater forests face a constant threat: the voracious appetite of sea urchins. Sea urchins, with their spiny exteriors and insatiable hunger for kelp, can decimate entire forests if left unchecked. This is where the sea otter, a top predator in this environment, plays its crucial role. With a diet consisting largely of sea urchins, sea otters keep their populations in check, preventing the overgrazing of kelp forests. The impact of the sea otter extends far beyond just the urchins and kelp. By controlling urchin populations, sea otters ensure the health and vitality of the entire kelp forest ecosystem. Fish, invertebrates, and marine mammals all rely on the kelp forest for food, shelter, and breeding grounds. A healthy kelp forest, thanks to the sea otter, supports a thriving and diverse community of life. The story of the sea otter highlights the delicate balance of nature and the profound impact a single species can have. Our next journey takes us to the wild expanse of Yellowstone National Park, where the reintroduction of wolves has sparked a remarkable ecological transformation. For decades, the absence of wolves, eradicated by human intervention, had profound consequences for the Yellowstone ecosystem. Without this top predator, elk populations exploded, leading to overgrazing of vegetation, particularly along riparian areas crucial for a variety of species. The reintroduction of wolves in the 1990s marked the beginning of a remarkable recovery. Wolves, as apex predators, brought back a vital balance to the ecosystem. Their presence once again kept elk populations in check, preventing overgrazing and allowing vegetation to regenerate. But the wolf's influence extended far beyond just elk and plants. As vegetation recovered, so too did the diversity of the landscape. Riparian areas, once overgrazed, flourished, providing habitat for beavers, songbirds, and a multitude of other species. The presence of wolves, even in relatively small numbers, had a cascading effect, revitalizing the entire Yellowstone ecosystem. This remarkable story underscores the importance of apex predators like the wolf in maintaining the health and biodiversity of our planet's ecosystems. Chapter 3. Nature's Engineers, the Industrious Beaver. Our exploration of keystone species takes us now to the tranquil waters of North America's wetlands, where we encounter a creature of remarkable industriousness, the beaver. Beavers, with their powerful teeth and instinct for engineering, are nature's architects, transforming landscapes and creating habitats that benefit a multitude of species. Their most impressive feat is the construction of dams, intricate structures of branches, mud, and stones that alter the flow of water, creating wetlands and ponds. These beaver-created wetlands become havens for a remarkable diversity of life. Amphibians thrive in the shallow, protected waters, while dragonflies and damselflies dance among the reeds. Fish find refuge and breeding grounds, and waterfowl flock to these oases of life. But the beaver's impact extends beyond the water's edge. The trees they fell for dam construction create open areas within the forest, allowing sunlight to penetrate and fostering the growth of a wider variety of plant species. This, in turn, attracts insects, birds, and other animals, enriching the biodiversity of the entire area. The beaver, through its tireless efforts, demonstrates how a single species can shape its environment, creating a ripple effect of life and abundance. Chapter 4. Architects of the Savannah, the Mighty Elephant. Our final journey takes us to the vast savannas of Africa, where we encounter the largest land mammal on Earth, the elephant. These majestic creatures, with their immense size and powerful presence, are far more than just awe-inspiring giants. They are in fact architects of their environment, shaping the landscape and influencing the lives of countless other species. Elephants are natural engineers, their very presence altering the structure of the savanna. As they move through the landscape, they create clearings by knocking down trees and trampling vegetation. While this may seem destructive, it's an essential process that creates a mosaic of habitats within the savanna. These clearings allow sunlight to reach the ground, promoting the growth of grasses and other plants that form the base of the food chain. Grazing animals, such as zebras and antelopes, depend on these open areas for foraging. The clearings created by elephants also provide nesting sites for birds and create corridors for smaller animals to move through the dense vegetation. Even the dung of elephants plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Rich in nutrients, elephant dung fertilizes the soil, promoting plant growth and providing a feast for insects and other creatures. Elephants, through their daily activities, demonstrate the interconnectedness of life on the savanna and the vital role they play in maintaining its delicate balance. Outro, our intertwined destiny. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand keystone species. Remember, every species plays a role, but some are truly the pillars of their ecosystems. The sea otter, the wolf, the beaver, the elephant. These are but a few examples of the unsung heroes that maintain the delicate balance of nature. Their stories remind us of the intricate web of life and the profound impact we as humans have on the natural world. By understanding and appreciating the vital roles of keystone species, we can better protect them and the ecosystems they support, ensuring a healthier planet for generations to come.